Welcome to Royal Racketeers Weekly Sports News Roundup. Please subscribe to our channel for interesting sports news and also subscribe to Little Ali Lit Reviews for more interesting book reviews, country reviews, facts and more interesting videos. Skydiving news. Welcome to the Devil's House. Wingsuit pilot becomes first person to fly in and out of an active volcano. There are some people out there for who even the word daredevil doesn't quite do justice to the mind-boggling feats they perform. Sebastian Alaves is one of those people. Last month, the former Chilean Air Force pilot completed what he describes as by far the most extreme flight of his career, flying in and out of the crater of an active volcano. Only Alaves wasn't in a plane or a helicopter. He was wearing only a wingsuit. Unsurprisingly, he is the first person in history to have even attempted such a feat and says the accomplishment has taken a lifetime of preparation. Everything started because I had the dream of flying, Alaves says. Since I was a kid, I just wanted to fly, and somehow I made it happen. Alaves' first exposure to the adrenaline rush that would largely shape his career came when he joined the Chilean Air Force. First as a pilot, and then when he was taught how to skydive. He was immediately hooked and continued skydiving from the Air Force whenever he could find spare time, and is now widely recognized as one of the world's top skydivers.
Everything started because of the dream of flying. I believe since I was a kid I just wanted to fly, and somehow I make it happen. All started with the flare. I love this maneuver, and what I was looking for was a place where to do it, to show a background. I think like if you are extremely afraid, then it turns into panic, and then you cannot react. So that's the little like borderline where it says like, okay, I'm afraid, but it keeps me active, so I'm aware of everything. Now, if I go into panic, then this is not gonna work, and you need to realize, okay, I'm in panic, maybe I need to do this step or this other step, plan B, plan C.
Football news. Algeria beat Tunisia 2-0 to claim 2021 FIFA Arab Cup title in Qatar. Algeria defeated Tunisia 2-0 to lift the 2021 FIFA Arab Cup trophy in Qatar on Saturday. In a hard-fought final between the two North African giants. It took a spectacular strike from Amir Sayed after 99 minutes to break the deadlock in a tight game that had been goalless at the end of normal time. Yassine Brahimi then sealed the win was the final kick. To lose by 2 goals was harsh on Tunisia. Either team could have ended up winning this clash at Al Bayt Stadium in the city of Al-Khor. It was a fine end to what has been an exciting as the African champions who had defeated Morocco and Qatar in the knockout stages, celebrated in front of their fans. The start of the game already seemed like ancient history despite an exciting opening. Cricket news. Former England captain Ray Illingworth died aged 89. Yorkshire and England legend passes away after long battle with esophageal cancer. England's Ashes winning former captain, head coach and chair of selectors has died at the age of 89 following a battle with esophageal cancer. As an off-spinning all-rounder, Illingworth's professional career spanned a remarkable 32 years from his debut for Yorkshire in 1951, aged 19. He represented England in 61 tests between 1958 and 1973. In between whiles, he represented England in 61 tests between 1958 and 1973, most memorably on the triumphant tour of Australia in 1970 to 71, where he led his side to a 2-0 series win in an uncompromising campaign that spanned 7 scheduled tests, as well as the sport's first ODI in Melbourne in January 1971. Golf news. Tiger Woods and his son Charlie blazed their way to a second place finish at the PNC Championship. Woods' first time competing on a golf course since a car crash that crushed his leg in February. Woods competed with his 12-year-old son in the $1 million PNC Championship at the Ritz-Carlton Golf Club, Orlando, Grand Lakes in Florida. This weekend, the tournament was a 2-person, 36-hole competition partnering champions with their family members. The tournament was won by the team of John Daly and his son, John Daly II, who finished at 27 under par, 2 strokes ahead of the Woods.
Yeah.
Thanks for watching our channel. Please Please subscribe to our channel and follow us for future interesting news. And also subscribe to Little Ollie Lit Reviews for more interesting book reviews, country reviews, facts, and more interesting videos.